How to make money in the stock market? That's a very broad question because there are multiple ways to make money trading stocks. And I'm going to tell you all of them, starting with day trading. What you see on your screen right now is day trading. You see a lot of money going up and down very quickly. This is day trading. You can make a lot of money or you could lose a lot of money very quickly. This probably gives you the lowest probability of success. You really have to study this game for years and years and years and years in order to actually be profitable day trading. Get a paper and a pen, write these down. If you have a high risk tolerance, you could do this, day trading. If you have a mid risk tolerance, you could do what's called buying leap options. If you don't have a whole bunch of money, get options. Instead of paying 30,000 for a stock, you could pay 3,000 and get the same amount of shares. It's called leverage. When you get options, you get 100 for each contract. If you don't have the money to buy actually 100 shares, then I would recommend do something with options, leap options. You got a leap option is holding it for a year or more, around a year or more. The other way you can make money is off of dividends. You have to have a lot of money to make money off of dividends. There are some dividend yielding stocks, you can look them up, that give you 10% a year, that give you 8% a year, that give you 6% a year. But that money is guaranteed. I recommend you have over $500,000 to do that. Most people don't have over 500,000, but if you did, that's almost a guaranteed way to make money. I say almost because companies could take away their dividend or they could lower their dividend. Now, the most common way and the safest way, and when I say safe, take that with a grain of salt because we could get bombed tomorrow, go into World War III, or civilization could fall and you will lose all your money. But it's called long-term investing. If you take money out of your paycheck or your business and you invest it into the market, you over time, the stock market has rose 10% plus a year. The last 5 years were the exception to the rule. You could have got 40% off your money, 50% or more. That way of making money is it probably gives you the highest probability of success if you just leave it in there and don't touch it for a long time. A long time is probably 40 years, but it has to be 5 years minimum. I say 5 years minimum. As I'm talking, you see, I was just up 2,000. Now I'm only up 300, and I'm probably gonna go red. Now I'm negative 162. This is day trading. Now this is day trading. So if you want to day trade, this is what you're gonna have to deal with, ups and downs really quickly. Now back to long-term investing. That's what you're doing in your 401k. That's what you're doing in your IRA. You could pay them to do it for you, or you could just buy an ETF, the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. Keep putting your $500 in there a month, 1,000 in there a month if you can. Hold it for a minimum of 5 years, a maximum until you retire. You could become a millionaire if you follow that strategy. It's easy. You don't even have to do a lot of research. I recommend you study and understand what you're doing, but you don't have to. All you have to do is literally put your money in your 401k, IRA, Roth, or you could start your own brokerage account and buy QQQ, buy SPY every month. And there is a high probability of you being a millionaire by the time you're 65 if you start early and if you stay consistent. That's the easiest way to become a millionaire. More people do it with real estate because they buy their homes and they don't sell. So a lot of millionaires are made in real estate because they don't sell. You become a millionaire when you buy assets and you don't sell. It's as simple as that. Now, recap. You could day trade, look into day trading. You could buy dividend yielding stocks. You could sell or buy options. If you sell options, you got to have money, about maybe 50,000 if you really want to make some money off of it, between 700 a week, 1,000 a week. But what's more common is you can buy options and just hold them for close to a year. Okay, cost you around $2,000 to do that, and you can make $10,000 in a few months or a year, depending on whenever your stock goes up. Only get good companies, Apple, Amazon. Companies you do research on, you can do that. That's how you can make money. Then you have long-term investing. Buy ETFs. You will make money over time, but you have to be patient. So that's it. The sound you heard was an algorithm. Like I said, day trading is very difficult, and it increases your probability of success if you have a computer helping you day trade, because it's up and down, and even the computer could be wrong. So day trading, you have to have discipline, you have to keep your emotions in check, and you have to have a routine, and you have to have a game plan, and you'll be okay. But other than that, you're probably going to lose money day trading, so I advise you to probably get option leaps or something like that. Buy them, don't sell them, and when you get your money up, start selling options. So do your research. I'm out.